Dear student, today we start with the eye of labio. It is a sense organ, and you know that it is an organ for sight. There are 4 to 5 sense organ in a labio, like that of organ of touch, which is just a general receptor for the touch, or naked nerve ending in the skin all over the body. Similarly, they having organ of taste is present in the equilibrium of the pharynx, and organ of smell, organ of hearing. So now today we discuss with the organ of sight, that is eye of labio. Eye of labio, particularly all the mammals or vertebrate, eye is made up of 3 layers, and these 3 layers, they are namely called as fibrous tunica, then is uvea, and third is called retina. So out of these 3 layers, ਬੇਟੇ ਇਹ ਤਿੰਨ ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਰਵਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਜਨਰਲ ਪੈਟਰਨ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣਾ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਲੇਅਰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੀ ਬਹੁਤੀ ਮੋਡੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਬਾਕੀ ਪੈਟਰਨ ਸਿਮਿਲਰ ਹੈ। ਨਾਓ ਵੀ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਵਿਦ ਦੈਟ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਜਨਰਲ ਪੈਟਰਨ ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਵਿਲ ਵੀ ਗੋ ਟੂ ਦਾ ਫਿਗਰ। like fibrous tunica is totally ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਬੇਟਾ ਉਹ division wise ਜਾਂ it is a complete layer, and in case of labio there is 2 eyes which are located in a orbit and directed laterally, ठीक है, lateral side ਤੇ present ਨੇ, and somewhat elliptical in a form having a short anterior posterior axis. Only one layer, that is called as tunica fibrous or fibrous tunica, that layer is a complete layer, and it starts from the back and reaches up to the interior side. Posterior side ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਆਈ ਬॉल ਦੇ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਗਲੇ ਦਿਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹ interior side ਹੈ. So that was fibrous tunica is very firm, protect the eyeball and maintain the shape. It has 2 distinct region. Posterior side वाले region ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, we name as a sclerotic region, and that of the interior side is called as a cornea. Then cornea, in case of only labio, it is again divisible into these 5 parts. Otherwise they having only conjunctiva is present in all the vertebrates, and the cornea is divisible into otochitinous layer, then is a scleral layer, and third dermal, and fourth is called as a conjunctiva. Then ਆਪਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਚਲੀਏ, then they are having a simply uvea again having 2 parts, one is called choroid and is called iris. Choroid is almostly touch that of the sclerotic region, but those of the iris it not reaches into the interior side, those of the cornea, but it is left somewhat behind that and inserted inside the eyeball, and we name as a called as iris. iris ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕਲਰ ਇੰਪਾਰਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਆਰਗੇਨਿਜ਼ਮ ਦੇ ਨੂੰ। ਦੈਨ ਯੂਵੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੀਸਰੀ ਲੇਅਰ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਰਵਸ ਲੇਅਰ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲਡ ਰੈਟੀਨਾ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਕਿ 2 ਪਾਰਟਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਇੱਕ ਆਪਟਿਕ ਪਾਰਟ ਐਂਡ ਅਰੀਡੀਅਲ ਪਾਰਟ। ਆਪਟਿਕ ਪਾਰਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ 2 ਟਾਈਪ ਦੇ ਸੈਲਸ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ, ਰੋਡ ਸੈਲ ਐਂਡ ਕੌਨ ਸੈਲ, ਐਂਡ ਅਰੀਡੀਅਲ ਪਾਰਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਆਇਰਿਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਟੱਚ ਕਰਦਾ। ਨਾਓ ਵੀ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਵਿਦ ਦੈਟ ਆਫ ਦ ਡਿਟੇਲ ਆਫ ਦਿਸ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਆਫ ਆਈ। ਨਾਓ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਈ ਦੀ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਲੇਅਰ ਹੈ, ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲਡ ਐਜ਼ ਅ fibrous tunica, and it is a very firm layer. It protect the eyeball. It has 2 distinct region, and this outer, that is called orange color, and that is called as a this layer outer orange color, and we name that layer is called as a which layer, we name as a sclera, and the inner is just sclerotic region कहने, and those of the interior small transparent, ਜਿਹੜਾ sclerotic region ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੈ, large ਹੈ, opaque ਹੈ, whitish ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਈ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਾਈਟਿਸ਼ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ that is sclera, and ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਅਗਲੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ this portion ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ from this to this, ठीक है, this, and that portion is a called as cornea. Sclerotic is a large hidden portion है, and it is a strengthened by cartilaginous plate, and whereas cornea ਜਿਹੜਾ anterior side ਤੇ ਹੈ ਉਹਦਾ ਮੇਨ ਕੰਮ ਹੈ ਟੂ ਪਲੇ ਅ ਵੈਰੀ ਲਿਟਲ ਰੋਲ ਇਨ ਫੋਕਸਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਲਾਈਟ, ਬਟ ਜਨਰਲਾਈਜ਼ ਤੌਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੋਰਨੀਆ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟਰਾਂਸਪੇਰੈਂਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਐਂਡ ਫੋਕਸਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਲਾਈਟ ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਬਟ ਲੇਬੀਓ 'ਚ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. ਬਟ ਲੇਬੀਓ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਦਿਸ region that is called as cornea is composed of we can say 4 layer. ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 4 layer ਕੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਵਾਲੀ ਲੇਅਰ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, that is called conjunctiva, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, so that is called as a conjunctiva. Then ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਅੰਦਰਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ layer ਹੈ we name that is called as a dermal layer. Then is scleral layer and fourth is autochitinous layer is there. So ਇਹ ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ present ਨੇ. Then we comes to the second portion. Second portion ਆਪਾਂ already ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ second portion ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 2 part ਨੇ. So this portion up to this region and this portion, ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ it is a forming second layer, and ਉਸਦੇ accordingly second layer ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ, it is divisible into 2 parts. The region which touch to the sclerotic region is very soft connective tissue with abundant pigment, it is called as choroid. So this layer is ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ this is called as a choroid. So it is called as a choroid, and choroid ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ a part of choroid adjacent to the sclera contain ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੰਨਾ portion ਵਿੱਚ black line ਆਪਾਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, adjacent to that of the sclera containing a silvery guanine crystal in a special cell, and that is called as a name as a argenta of choroid, ठीक है. And at the junction of where sclera and cornea meet, this layer is bent inward into the cavity, and that is called as iris. And iris ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਕੀ ਇੱਕ circular hole ਹੈ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਈ ਦੇਖੋ and you what you see, you having a large black area having small part, that is a small this part of the eye, small hole in the eye, that is called as a pupil. So that means the gap between that is called as a pupil is to name that. Clear? So after that, what is present in the iris? Iris contain 2 types of muscles. One is circular muscle and second is called as a dilator muscle. So which is that is a circular muscle and dilator muscles are present, and there is a similarly a layer like that of the choroid, the sector they will see there is a layer called argenta of iris. This that is a majorly what is its function. So it is present in the region, we can say that similar to the cover the outer surface of the iris. So here it is label over there argenta, ठीक है. Then there is another thing, एक चीज़ आप के देर ये याद रखना है कि there is no ciliary body and ciliary muscles are present in this eye. Then comes to the next portion, that is called as this grayish color, that is called as a retina, which is delicate nervous layer, and it's a lie and whole of the uvea, and again having 2 part. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤਾਂ ਬੇਟਾ again ਜਿਹੜਾ choroid ਨਾਲ ਟੱਚ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, that is called as retina proper ਕਹਿ ਲਈਏ ਆਪਾਂ, ਜਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਸਨੂੰ also called as optic part, and second which is a touch to that of the this portion of the iris, that is called iridial part. And this optic part is thick and sensitive to light. It contain both rod cell and cone cell. That means दोनों dim light ਤੇ bright lights देखने वास्ते दोनों तरह ਦੇ cells present ने. At the region area where there is, ਇਹ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਬੇਟਾ, a small part is situated in a line with the center of the cornea. ਆ cornea ਉਹਦਾ center ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਆ small portion ਹੈ which is present and which is labeled as, it is called as a area centralis. area centralis lack fovea centralis। ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ area centralis ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਡਿਪਰੈਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ, and that depression is called as a fovea centralis, and the fovea centralis is absent in case of the fish. Now where the optic nerve enter, that area retina ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ there will be no cone cell and there is a no rod cell. That means that portion is do not respond any type of light. Receptor cells are lacking, insensitive to light, so that is called as a name is called as a blind spot. It is called as a blind spot. ठीक है। now after that ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗੇ ਕੁਝ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਿਖਦਾ ਹੈ। so now there is an upper side dark in the center of the eye there is a rounded large dense transparent body that is called as a lens, lie behind the iris and partially protruded out from the iris is there. It is suspended by a dorsal by a ligament called suspensory ligament, a muscle run down from the lower end of the lens, ठीक है, muscle, and that is called देखो that is called retractor lentis muscle or called as campanula hilari. It is a meat, this muscle is meat into this portion that is called a sickle shaped structure, that is a falciform process is present. Now here extend backwardly and in the vitreous humor and join the blind spot. ਇੱਥੋਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇ blind spot ਨਾਲ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। the another thing is that this muscles and the process constitute accommodation apparatus. That means in the absence of salivary muscle and ciliary muscle and ciliary body, the accommodation of eye or contraction of the retractor lentis muscle pupil of the pupil lens backward bring it near to the retina. This adjusts the light for distinct vision, ठीक है। so ये जड़ा है present है। now lens suspensory ligament and campanula hilari divide the cavity into a two small anterior side that is called as a aqueous chamber and large posterior that is called as a vitreous humor, and aqueous chamber is filled with the clear watery fluid called aqueous humor, and posteriorly जड़ी है fluid जड़ा that is it is a gelatinous mass, it is called as a vitreous humor. so there are this is a structure all about that is a where the depression is present at the cornea, suspensory ligament and we name as a ora is that. so ये है overall जड़ा है structure of eye of labio। बाकी ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਰੈਸਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਵਰਕਿੰਗ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਵਰਕਿੰਗ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਹੇਅਰ contraction of this muscle called as retractor lentis muscle, ਇਹਦੀ contraction ਜਦੋਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ then ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ the lens backward bring it near to the lens की पिछली साइड ਨੂੰ चला ਜਾਂਦਾ है and then there will be a very close to the retina, bring it near to retina, then this adjusts the vision. It may be noted here that the lens in a resting eye in fish is adjusted for seeing near vision, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨੀਅਰ ਆਬਜੈਕਟ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੁਛ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਰਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਖੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਦੋਂ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਨੀਅਰ ਵਿਜ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਕਰਦਾ just opposite that of the lens of the land vertebra. Campanula hilari also thought to be hold the lens in a position. so with this all together ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ eye of labio, and then we start with the hearing and equilibrium unit that is called as E.